How to do a low driven shot in FC24. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to do a low driven shot in FC24. If this video helps you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. So let's get started. So I want to take a low driven shot in FC24. It is very simple, so let me show you how. When you are running with the ball, and you think that the shot can reach the goal, what you have to do is press the shoot button just very lightly. Make sure not to hold it for long. Just tap the button and let go. Also, make sure that you are near or inside the square to do this shot. If you press it lightly, your player should quickly but surely take a low-driven shot and take the goal. So let's see it again. And as you can see, I'm near the box now. And that is how you take a low-driven shot in FC24. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.